Another Win software review. This time it will be WinAntiVirus 2006 Pro with bonus pack. So let's install it. We get to a compatibility alert to check if there's any antivirus installed that it should be uninstalled, or any other software that should be in conflict with this one. Moving on. And we're done. Let's launch. Okay, to activate. I don't have any internet connection, so for some reason it will just activate without any reason. So I have no idea how the hell it works. Okay, now to configure. First of all, network settings. To choose which network connection, we'll just choose the high speed anyway. Deny access to NetBIOS ports. So it's for some reason it offers that. In here we can choose to provide information for online statistics. Also to give statistics in general. Whatever is detected on your PC, it will be sent to them, and they will use it for statistic purposes or something like that. So you can participate or not, but we'll do it. And we can reset the home page to default, about blank, but for now we have this defined as default page. So we'll see if will that be changed or not. The WinAntiVirus Pro has few protection modes. The complete mode will take action automatically, and it will notify which action is taken. For menu control, it will ask you which action you want to do. So it will alert you and give you the control of which action you want to do. For autopilot mode, it will take action by itself, and it won't even notify you at all. So we'll pick the manual control at this time. This option is quite outdated and it doesn't work. In general, when you send the email to someone, it will check for the viruses, and if it's virus free, it will add the signature at the end of the message. Quite usual back then. And for scheduling a scan, the usual stuff, so we don't even need that anyway. Okay, and here we have the summary of all configuration. We will just run the regular system scan and finish. It seems to be that's quick scan mode. We have full mode, to pause, and abort for now. We'll wait for it. Nothing has been found. Just to note that I have some threads in this root folder, but it didn't detect them, so probably it just checks for user files, program files, and Windows folder. So we can now, when it's finished, we can restart or finish. So we'll just finish to prevent any restarts of scans. You know that. So we don't have any system firewall feature, but everything else seems to be available. We'll just restart anyway, so that we have all enabled anyway. So restart, and we are back. Okay, we have quick scan, regular system scan, and scan removable media. That's only quick scan wizard. Let's try full mode for now. That's pretty much extend. Well, we didn't still install this one. We'll check out later. Well, let's see your options for now. Actually, that's actually the bonus pack. You wanna let this new assistant, which gives you instant information and tooltips for your software options, get your friendly assistant to start working with the program. Well, we'll just install it now anyway. Okay, we're done. We need to restart this. And we get this dog. Hi my friend, welcome to the best antivirus solution WinAntiVirus Pro 2006. I'm your favorite assistant and will tell you how to use the application most effectively. Whoa. So, our system status is not fully protected. Some non-critical problems arose with your system protection. Please refer to the message center to learn details of the problems and the recommended solution. In general, it's the threat database is outdated and antivirus can't protect you from any new threats, so your system is in danger. Okay, we have protection history where you can see all scan results. My mistake. Sorted by the date, as he says. And protection summary to see how long does this software is running, how many files are scanned, how many viruses are found, and how many files are repaired, and how many intruders are blocked, and how many pop-ups are blocked. In addition, you can open that even in Word as text, or to copy to clipboard. Quite descriptive, or whatever it is. Okay, let's move to system scan. Hello again. As you know, we have quick scan, regular system scan, and scan removal media, but we also have in here scan files and folders and our own scans. So let's try to add on our own scan. What the hell was that? That was what? Fetching a ball. Moving on. This is actually a scheduled tasks manager for this software. So let's add scan to scan specific files for us, when tick them in files tree, blah blah blah. For better understanding, name your scan properly. For example, my weekly disk C scan. Okay, my weekly fucking C drive scan. Fucking happy, yeah. C, yeah. C drive schedule weekly every week on Wednesday, once every 8 hours per fucking day. Nonsense. Okay, let's do the regular system scan. So it scans for memory, scans for registry, and scans for files. Okay, now you have the result. So get rid of the threads found on your system with the help of this window. So we can quarantine it, we can delete all of them, or repair, or ignore. So we have only few of them all are in threads folder with just one note. This is quite confusing even for me. So we have this Trojan fake alert. However, this is actually WinAntiVirus 2006 Pro, but free version. Quite a newer version actually, 2.0 and this one is actually quite earlier, if I'm not wrong. 2.7.1, my mistake, so I'm wrong. Okay, even if it's quite old, for some reason it's detected by WinAntiVirus Pro itself. Why the hell it will detect itself? Really? This is quite a failure. No comment. Well, let's try to repair all of this. Actually, no, let's ignore all of this. We'll try to play with this later. So, the summary: 22 memory locations scanned, 26,000 files scanned, 39 are detected, infected, and 18,005 registry locations checked. So we have 29 virus threats, 2 suspected threats, and 8 spyware threats. Not special. Oh. So these are spyware? Oddly enough. Some of them are not. Suspected and... Hold on. Well, it does detect the infected files even as a joke, so the way it checks for that is quite suspicious. It just treats them as a very high threat, even though like parking or fear or this virus is actually a lower threat than some sort of joke. So much about that knowledge. Okay, we have quarantine. Simply where all infections are in. Moving on. World virus statistics, or the world virus map, or virus activity map, shows global statistics of viruses which are detected and actually blocked by WinAntiVirus. But in this case we can't see anything because we don't have Flash player and we don't have actual connection and their server is shut down for sure. And in here we should see the virus details for each virus. However, we can't see because we have error during loading. For top 10, we can see the top 10 viruses that wreaked havoc worldwide and has been blocked by WinAntiVirus Pro 2006 efficiently or not. So worldwide, Europe, Asia, today, this week, or this year, or month, all these statistics we can't actually see. So we move to the anti-spyware tools. We have Autorun, Task Manager, Open Ports, and Homepage. Autorun is simple startup manager. So we can add something, remove something, like this, yeah, and edit something. I mean, change the location, name, and where to start. And for some reason, it seems to include even desktop ini files, which are in this startup folder, and they usually don't even launch. In general, everything we put in startup folder, it should launch even if it's a text file. But these two files shouldn't, and we know that in Windows 7 there was a bug which launched the desktop.ini file on startup. Just to know. In Task Manager, just like the usual Task Manager, it can't even launch that. Well, it froze the Explorer. No idea how the fuck it did that. Okay. Oh my god. Let's see the processes. It's making me sick. Just one single right click and it won't even show it up. What the fuck? Finally. Yeah, or not finally. It seems to even freeze. Okay, it's here. We can even see all modules. But there isn't anything special. So we can only end specific process. Nothing else. We can add the process tree, but I don't know how the hell it will work, so we want to do that. Quite similar, just this is quite weak. Let's see something. For some reason, WinAntiVirus seems to use 200 megabytes of memory and 15% of CPU. This is quite bad, because back then using some antivirus used so much memory and so much CPU. That's a no-go. Why the hell is this using some memory and some CPU? Let's kill this shit. I'm sick of that. I'm just sick of it. It's still using a whole CPU for no reason. We'll keep it on track. I'll just minimize it. We can see the activity from here. Okay, we have open ports. So Trojans may open ports on your system without your knowledge and leave them unguarded. Viruses and other malicious elements can penetrate your PC through these unguarded ports. Click disconnect button if you wish to disable the active connection. We know that you can't actually disconnect it. Whoa. And from home page, we can monitor the activity of changing home page. Your home page could be hijacked by spyware. Protect it. Choose to be notified when a spyware attempts to change your home page. Oh blah. Just like any other software to monitor your home page. And it's actually now about blank. It was before some default page, as we remember. But this shit seems to be just stuck. Still on full memory, full CPU. What the hell it does? I have no idea. Okay, finally. So yeah, now it's blank. Let's try to set it to default. If we ever do that. So slow. Okay. And now we have to wait. That home page has been changed. And it's changed from blank to Microsoft's MSN page. So, should we allow it or deny? Let's deny. And check it again. And then be pissed about it because it won't even launch it so quickly because it takes all goddamn CPU and memory. I have no idea why the hell does that. It seems to do that only if I try to after some scan. If I don't do any scan or if any virus is not found, it doesn't seem to do anything. Okay, now it's blank. Let's close it. Although not just theory. So if you try to if you get any sort of threat, it might be possible that this antivirus program might intentionally use CPU and memory usage to force you to remove all of this, even if it's not actually active. Just my theory. But for now, moving on. We're done with that. What the hell now? Okay, let's go to the options to see what the hell we have. So we can choose to load the application startup whenever you would like to get my help. How about no? But I'll keep you on just because you make me sick. Evo to ubiću ih. I sebe i šta već. Okay, in here we can choose some type of files. Here we can actually check which files to scan during real-time with real-time protection. So suspicious files and customized. So pick something from here but we won't. We'll just keep this. So you can scan Microsoft Office documents and scan files downloaded by Internet Explorer. With firewall protection, we can choose what to protect, so most dangerous ports or all the potential dangerous ports and no ports. And here we can until it loads for some reason. This is insane. Even more memory is now used. I even have like 2 gigabytes on this. Oh, finally. So nothing's defined for now. Let's add something. For example, Internet Explorer. We won't allow it. Let's deny it. Even though if I try to load it, yeah, it's still on. Due to this, it's still slow loading. Here we can choose to deny specific ports for NetBIOS, FTP, ICMP and IGMP. These two should be for ping if I'm not wrong, or some other networking stuff. And for site blocking, whatever it does, probably has some blacklist websites. And here we can choose what to scan with antivirus, for which emails, both incoming and outgoing, or incoming or outgoing, or not scanning email at all, and include the certification. And for pop-ups, we can allow it with this hotkey, and we can some options in here for pop-ups. I don't even remember when it's the last time I saw some pop-up in here. And here you can choose to whitelist processes with pop-ups, allow domains and allow URLs. And here you can add with this we can pick whatever it's defined as pop-up and remove it. And enjoy this slowdown. Okay, for default actions. Oh god, now it's load. So we can decide the actions which are default. So on virus found, we can alert, disinfect, quarantine, delete, and ignore. With disinfection, which is actually repair. If it fails, we can do alerting, quarantine, or delete. For unknown traffic, we can allow, deny, or ask user. And for pop-up event, allow or block. Let's allow it for some reason. Let's see if we can. I'm still offline, so I'm just checking if this do anything. Ugh. But it's too slow. So we are moving on. Okay, for system restore point. Hold on. So when you try to fix any threat or remote or anything like that, it will create a system restore point. Simple as that. For alerts, we can see which sort of alert you want to see over here. You'll see the one about home page change. So in here you can change what we want to see. So for virus scan, let's close this. This doesn't even work. And now it's scanning. Let's hope that I'll try to kill this as soon as possible. Dead dog. Nice. Just die. Die. Okay, for virus scan. So we can choose which way to scan. IntelliJ scans only recently changed files. More scans all files. And for scanning options, we can choose automatic action, or we'll just keep it to notification only. So you can try to do that. You can try to do the action after the scan is finished. So we can repair content if failed, or repair and delete if needed. And we can scan specific parts of the system, so boot sector, inside archives, mail archives, packet executables, and perform heuristic analysis. And for updates, we can choose to update virus database and update application. Both are set to be scheduled automatically, so every day, and this is set to scan every 2 hours. So, but we will disable this. That's not needed. And for online services, we can participate in global virus statistics, as we could do that in configuration wizard. We know that if you're in United States, but I want to bother with that, we choose state. We'll just repeat it like this and save. Okay, what else? In here we can disable specific options like virus protection, but for some reason it disables even spyware protection. So be careful, your system status is in red. It means that critical security components are disabled. Please refer to the message center to read the short prompt description and click the link to the bottom to something I didn't even manage to read it. So the items in red require immediate action. Select an item from the list below to get more information and take the action recommended. Okay, let's enable it. Okay, disable. Oh, it's in danger. Oh. So for some reason, this is both virus and spyware protection are the same thing. Okay. Okay, so now it's orange red, and now it's hanging. Oh god. Come on. Just enable this. Okay. So we can also update from here, but that fails with error code 49, no internet connection. And for support we have manual, online manual, knowledge base, contact customer support, solve your issues, and about. Okay, that's it from this software. So we'll try to let's quit this. Wow. Let's hide this too. So in here we can choose about manual check for updates, enable instant scan, disable firewall, manual scan pop-up blocker, mark Windows pop-up, send some tools, but we'll close it, and for some reason we can try to start it again after like some minutes, but we'll disable that. Okay, and it's done, gone, hopefully. And now it seems to be okay now. Not sure how the hell it's managed to take so much memory stuff. No idea. But for now we'll move all of this. Actually we'll copy all of this to Windows folder, because for some reason it will detect only malware from the Windows or user folder or program files folder, if I'm not wrong. So it all goes in here. Okay, now let's try to run it. We'll keep the task manager still. That's it. Still uses a lot of memory. Actually, not a lot, but still lots of CPU. Actually, not anymore. At least something. Okay, let's see if we try to access the Windows folder for some reason. And let's try to run this. Well, the worm is running. Well, it did detect something, but it's in system turned to folder called anti-kernel.exe infected with Blue Angel virus. But this is surveyback worm. So, let's ignore the alert and let's see. Let's kill this. So, for some reason, it did not do anything about it, even if it's Windows folder. And I actually ran it. So, and here we can see that there are some threats. Let's minimize this again. Oh my god. And then... Oh, this thing is making me insane. Well, nothing here is actually quite detected. What? Let's see, where the hell is that? Okay, didn't detect that as Blue Angel. But ironically, let's see, NT kernel, that's it. It's like, yeah, it's surveyback for some reason. And detected as actual Blue Angel virus, which is not. That's it. Uses a lot of CPU. And this thing does not use any CPU now. Nonsense. Okay, it doesn't see anything else. Well, actually, let's try copying it all this again, but now in system32 folder. Okay, that's all in here. Waiting for something. Okay, infected by virus. So we can remove quarantine or ignore. We'll quarantine it. This is infected with job virus. For some reason it's a virus, but it's not. Let's repair it. Fails. So quarantine. Okay, this is quite ironic. So repair. No. Let's quarantine. Quarantine it. Okay. And okay. Quarantine. And there. Now it's surveyback virus for some reason. Even if it's the same thing mostly. Quarantine. Just do it. Let's try to repair this. No, it still fails. Actually, let's kill this thing. Is it done? Not much of use of it. Let's just kill it from here. Quite annoying. So we have noticed that it does detect it, but it doesn't seem to detect it from any other place except Windows or program files or like that. So let's relaunch it again. So it does seem to. So let's see if it will detect the virus from documents. All the macros are disabled, but I don't see anything that it will make it detected. Hold on, let's disable security. Too low. Let's try again. No, nothing. Literally nothing detected from it. Just simple junk. Well, if we try to run this is also detected, but for some reason it won't even try to block it. It's in memory. Nope. Just a single bug. Okay, let's try to copy it. Actually, I just replace it. Okay. Actually, for now, it managed to block it for some reason. Ignore it. Wait. It actually blocked it, and now it actually managed to allow it to run. Usually, antiviruses keep the infected application blocked, no matter what. Even for this thing. However, this software keeps it all time allowed. Oh my god. Even running a single sample of virus does so much on edge. Damn, I forgot I've disabled test manager. So off. Damn. Let's try to run it again so we can kill this shit if it fucks it up again. This is a single like how much? 64 kilobytes a program or more or less, and it takes so long to run it. I mean, nonsense. Yeah, this shit is still a fault. And it's still not decreasing. We'll kill it, relaunch again, and we'll try to remove most of this. So let's remove all of this. It's quarantining. Perform actions. So all quarantined successfully. So nothing is now found. It's all in quarantine, which is nice. But we'll restore all of it. Restore all. Ooh. Yeah, quite nice. No, nothing found, and yet we have restored everything. Well, this for knowledge base, nothing else. We can can't see manual. We can contact customer support. This is still running. Let's just kill it. So let's describe the issue at hand as carefully as possible, and if available, include the following information. Circumstances of issue arising, word by word error messages, text, description of current computer state. The detailed report will make it possible to troubleshoot the problem faster. And here are the toll-free phones, which are probably dead, so don't call them, blah blah. Free live chat support, that's still dead probably. The mail server. So, this shit takes a lot of CPU and memory. It sucks balls. I'm not that creative for now. So let's try to send that. Collect the information about your PC. We'll keep it here. And we'll... Okay, it won't be sent. So we'll try to send with our default email client. Oh god, let's just close this. Well, scrub that. So defect product name WinAntiVirus Pro 2006, product version 2.12710. So this shit takes a lot of CPU and memory. This sucks balls. So let's see the attachment and what it contains. So it contains the registry files. Actually, let's extract all of this and a few logs. Sorry about mess up with sentence. So let's see. Huh? I'm not trying to run, just edit. These are uninstall information. Don't ask. Winstock settings. Oh god. BHOs, browser helper objects, Internet Explorer settings, WinAntiVirus Pro details, another WinAntiVirus Pro settings, another WinAntiVirus Pro settings, and finally startup options. So for AV infections, nothing seems to be found. Quite odd. With logs for activation, modules, so many of them, program settings, preview, blah, screenshot, system, whole configuration, scan log probably, and whatever is that, LO or whatever. And yeah, that's what's sent to Win software. So let's close this. We won't send, cancel it. Just cancel. God. Is it done? Hopefully. Okay, let's get rid of this. Actually, one more thing has left in here. The actual dog. I've installed Agent Viewer for this, so we'll try to load it. It's located in here as VV, and technically it's actually named Zach. So let's try it. Oh god. So let's see how many what poses he has. So rest pose, idle, gestures to right, left, up and down. That's the ball. His tongue looks quite fake. Wait, let's see. Do you see that? How it's twisted? Insane. Spins around, tries to catch its own tail, and then it dies. Okay, not really, but I consider that he dies. So, moving left, moving right, moving up, down, just froze. Search. Hey, that was like smelling with nose. Then knowledge, blink, 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 alert. Okay. Announce. Uh, confused. That doesn't sound like dog. That sounds like some radio. When you're tuning the radio. Congratulate. Oh god. Oh, decline. Don't recognize. Just it looks like it's going to kill someone. Quite creepy now. Get attention. Continue the attention. Read. Oh my god, that tongue. That tongue is insane. Look. It's like a million. Chameleon, literally. Hearing. That sounds so odd. Look down. Look down, return. Look left. Return. Look right. Return. Cup. Return. Please. Hey. Processing. Okay, this is quite ironic. It digs on the actual Windows XP grass. Bad dog. Bad dog. And now it reads paper. Like he knows how to do that. Reading. Well, he's supposed to eat the homework, not to read it. I dumb ideas from me. My bad. Let's continue. Sad. That's not sad. That's like peeking in front of someone. Or just like watching directly to someone. Stop listening. Start listening. Stop. Suggest. Surprised. Oh. Think. Thinking. Uncertain. Okay. Babe. That's dancing, damn it. Literally dancing. Or shaking the body, or everything like that. Dancing, shaking body, shaking that. Ooh. Right. That's putting a paw, not writing. Not sure if it's doing all that on same paper or just uses another paper and the way it wastes all that paper before we cut the trees. And that's all from here. Let's see if we can it actually do something. Not sure if that thing can play actual something. Small lock. I don't have that. That is not listening. Speech input is not available in English. Whoa. Okay, that's all of it for this dog. Well, not sure if it's possible to use it in Office. Let's see. we have this nice clippy. Not. Oh god, we can have it. Oh my god. It's like hell coming in office. No, no way, no way. Ugh. Let's just remove this. We'll just remove this thing. Restart. So we have this pop up again. God damn it. Oh. Yeah, one more thing. Threats, WinAntiVirus folder. We'll try the free version. Let's just install it. So it's lesson 2, nothing. We have register nothing. It does this quick scan, it detects something. Whoa, 2 severe infections detected. It's not even severe, it's like low and medium level. You know, it says all this crap to register, blah blah blah. Register goes to Internet Explorer something. Actually, it requires to register all that, but that will never be finished. So let's close it. Oh my god, just close this. So there are 2 threads in system, we can't do any shit about it. I didn't notice that animation. Nice, but shit. So it's now ignored. Nice. Close. So what can we do? We need to restart, so enable that. That can't work. That requires restart. This works. That works. So subsystem quick scan worked. Can we do this? Yep. Another one. Oh my god, stop. Remove the media. Yep. Okay. Manage the scans. Seems to do that. Okay, quarantine. Empty. Worked virus map. No data. Still. It's power tools. Auto run. So if we remove this. Nope. We can't do that. Can we add? Well, we can, probably. Can we edit? Nope. We probably hit add then. So let's see if we can try to kill something. For example, this. No. Monitoring. Well, we can't. We can change the homepage, but can we actually do it? So. Nope, we can't do it automatically. So everything is shitty in this. Can do that. This is enabled for some reason. Now it's disabled. Well, no assistant. And all our generic stuff we were talking about before. For some reason, you can't even take action here. Fine. Let's. Okay, we can't even allow the pop-ups. What a logic. Ugh. So most of these options can't be used. And that's it. That's pretty much about WinAntiVirus Pro 2006. Free version is quite very shitty in general. Does it even take some memory? Nope. But the paid one is insanely retarded. Takes a lot of memory, takes a lot of CPU, and ruins all the whole PC. And we are done with this, finally. Anyway, thanks for 4,000 subscribers. Hopefully I'll manage to get even more. I'll try to improve myself to just to gain some more knowledge and stuff. If you can try to share this, I mean, if possible, you can try to promote me or something like that. But in general, just hopefully you'll enjoy my wits, nothing else. I don't want to be some sort of retard which tries to promote itself, like saying subscribe subscribe to that, like that, comment that, blah 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 blah. That's just junk and useless. If you're already popular, that's not needed. But if you're not quite popular, maybe. But our overload spam with promoting yourself is shit and junk and all that in one. So hopefully you enjoyed this. That's it. Bye. Thanks.